Here's popular productivity app called Moshfocus. So just tap get and then you will be able to install it. Double click to install. And yeah, then you'll just be able to use it. Moshfocus is a popular to-do list application. Whether you need to create a to-do list or create a personalized task list, Moshfocus will help you get it done easily. Simple interaction to create to-do list, create personalized task list, countdown and format timers to help you focus more on your task. Simple interface and interaction, focused clock, excellent user experience, everything to make you more focused. So yeah, it's an app I think by the like single developer, but it's super high in the productivity charts in the App Store, and it's just nice, easy to use app. No task, have a relax. Want to record something? Click the button to record, and then add a task. Okay, I want to buy some milk, not today, but. And then you can just set up priority, high priority, medium priority, low priority, and then you can just send it. So that's the idea. And then you just complete it like that. And then there is like a useful feature to focus, and then you can just start focus. So that's like a interesting, I think it's called Pomodoro technique or how it's called. Just basically you have 25 minutes. I don't think how this time was calculated, why exactly there are like 25 minutes. But then you just set it up, this timer, and you are not distracted. So you don't watch like Twitter, Instagram, you don't watch TV or snacking, whatever. You just focusing on your job. And then you just can pause it, and then you just, you can check out Instagram or something, whatever. And then you can just continue again, and then you can just end it. And then focus content, you can just select task, probably just like read a book or do some task or something like that. So that's the idea. Then premium, you have options $4 per month, $25 per year, or $1 per week. And then you will just remove all types of advertisements. All subscriptions automatically renew. It can be canceled anytime. And then you have all tasks today important. So, and then feedback you can set here. So why this app is quite high in the charts? Because it's very minimalistic, it's very easy to understand. It just has these two main features, and that's just it is. It doesn't have like 20 different tabs and menu settings, which is like super overwhelming. So that's why it's kind of like it's just good at what it does. And yeah, so give it a try.